bro. There's a random bra in the free lift. Alright, my first front row ride. This is your first front row?
Second front row.
Here we go.
Oh no. Ready to black out. It's got insane sustained positive G's.
Yeah, like the whole beginning I gray out up until the twisted hill.
I don't know, we've been 8 times and it's so exhausting.
Yeah, Bradley's behind us, he's worn out too.
We're all worn out.
Everybody's worn out. This is the last train of the night on Lech Coaster.
Woo! Woo!
Guys, it's so intense.
For such a small and height coaster, that thing is nuts. Switch rows?
Sustained, like, I don't know if you measured it yet, but it has to be
Like 4
sustained.
G's, it's just sustained the whole time. And then through the inversion, like same thing, just sustained.